In an earlier lecture, I said that the elements of the key signature for A major are ordered in a specific way. This is true for all key signatures. The sharps in the key signature are ordered according to the circle of fifths: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. To become fluent in identifying key signatures, it is best to simply practice identifying and writing them. Looking at the key signature with sharp symbols, there are some tricks to identifying the scales they represent quickly. To name this key signature, for example, we locate the last entry, which happens to be D sharp. Because of the tetrachord refunctionalization process in the circle of fifths, which we examined in Lecture 6, and because of the fact that the sharps in the key signature are ordered accordingly, we know this note is scale degree 7. D sharp is scale degree 7 in the E major scale. So, this key signature belongs to E major. Another way to identify this key signature quickly is to simply know that the scale with 4 sharps is E major. We can quickly write the key signature for any scale knowing this information. Knowing E major has 4 sharps, place them in the key signature in the specific order. The first 4 sharps of the cycle are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. These are all the raised scale degree 7s in the scales that we had to cycle through from C major to arrive at E major. Let's turn it around. Suppose we need to write the key signature for a given scale, say A major, for example. We know that scale degree 7 is a half step below the tonic and is G sharp in A major. Since this is the last sharp in the key signature, I can simply list the sharps in order until G sharp appears: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and stop. The key signature for A major has 3 sharps.